It's kitchen time and it's cookie time. It doesn't get any better than that. So we're going to make cookies that are good for you and taste good, not like your regular cookie down at the store. And with me today to help me make these cookies is Justin. Justin, do you like cookies?
I gotta say, I love my cookies.
What's your favorite?
Peanut butter cookies really take the cookie, so to speak.
Okay, well hopefully these will become your second favorite cookies because these are carrot cookies.
Ooh, carrot cookies.
And you could try adding peanut butter to them, I guess, but tell us what's in them.
Okay, so these carrot cookies have half a cup of whole wheat pastry flour, a quarter cup of rolled oats, a quarter cup of coconut, half a teaspoon of baking powder, a quarter teaspoon of salt, a third cup of chopped walnuts, half a cup of grated carrots, a quarter cup of raisins soaked in water overnight, a quarter cup of maple syrup, a quarter cup of coconut oil, half a teaspoon of fresh ginger grated, a pinch of cinnamon, and half a teaspoon of vanilla.
Wow, lots of good things in there.
Yeah.
So why don't you start by chopping the walnuts for us, and I'll start putting all the dry ingredients together. You know, classic recipe. Mix the dry ingredients first.
Try to chop the walnuts and knock my fingers off.
And knock your fingers off, that's right. For the baking powder, we have aluminum free, or if you say it where I come from, it's aluminium free baking powder. Throw in that pinch of cinnamon. And if you like more than a pinch, go for it. What we're going to do is put these wet ingredients together. So the coconut oil, you want to put it in the microwave for perhaps 25 seconds and just so it goes, because I keep mine in the fridge, it's pretty solid, so it needs to be melted. So it's solid there. And then we're going to mix our wet ingredients together here with our coconut and our ginger. How many cookies do you get with fresh grated ginger? And I tell you, that's so special.
I think we're about to find out. I'm just chopping here. You tell me when to stop.
Well, what do you think? You ready for cookies, or are they look pretty good?
They look ready for cookies to me.
I think he's a good chopper. All right, so we've got our wet ingredients. So now we're going to add our carrots into here. I love carrot cake. And these are a little bit like carrot cake.
Oh, so they're like little bite-sized carrot cakes?
Yeah, maybe. Maybe you can put that frosting. Oh, no. Did I say that? Ooh. Okay, and those raisins are nice and plump.
You soaked them in water overnight.
Right, so they're soaked. You want to throw those nuts in here? All right, and now we'll throw in the wet ingredients. Actually, do you mind just emptying the cookie sheet there of the dishes so that we can start laying out these cookies? Wonderful. I'll give that to you too. Thank you. Oh, you mean you don't want to drive the cookie?
I'll let
the cookie machine.
Well, actually, that is kind of fun.
It is, isn't it? Yeah, I love those things. They're so much quicker though. If you don't have a nice, what do you call them? I guess a cookie maker.
A scooper dealie.
Ah, cookie scooper. You can just roll these little balls in your hands, and it takes a bit of mixing this through. But I think we've got it. All right.
I love the smell of that cinnamon and vanilla.
There we go. All yours.
Okay. Just like that.
Spoon, you can use the spoon. Yeah. And you'll find this fills the sheet. Completely fills the sheet, so you get a good big batch for your family, or just for yourself.
That's
so
the more likely scenario there.
I think it's time to taste cookies, Justin.
Okay.
I know it's fun to make them, but I think it's time to
just
taste
as fun to eat them.
Oh, definitely. Look at those raisins bursting out.
Love the cinnamon.
I love the coconut.
Yeah, that's really tasty.
So if you like cookies, these are really healthy. Make a batch, and you might make more than one batch actually. You might make 2 batches.